Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a very quick video on the Super Meet. I had this Meteor bike for a few days and I found some issue with the headlight throw, and I thought I should make a quick video for how to level the headlight. I love the headlights where you can adjust it externally. Now this Super Meteor has got one screw over here, one bolt over here which you need to tighten, and then the headlight light throw will come down, and if you loosen it the headlight throw will go up. So when you're on long rides or something, when you're suddenly traveling with a pillion, and usually you ride to your office and all solo, but and you adjust your headlight that way. But someday if you want to ride with pillion and there's additional weight, there is a saddlebag, there's pillion sitting and all, and if the bike is lowering a little bit from the backside, you usually must have seen that the headlight throw goes up. So right now on this stock bike, I'm not sure why it is so high. I'll show you right now the throw what it is, and I'll show you quickly. It's a 2-minute job to, not even 2 minutes, like 5-second job to adjust the headlight throw. But before that, I'll show you right now how the throw is first. So I've started the bike, and if you see at the wall, now that wall must be at least maybe 100 feet away, and the throw is so high. You see this? The high beam is so high, the low beam is so high. Okay, let me turn off the patch. See, you can see that where it is, and it is not throwing anything in the patch below. Let me turn off the bike and show you how dark it is. This is how dark it is. So now let's quickly adjust the headlight. Keep the bike parked at the same location so that we don't have any issue, and you just have to tighten this bolt over here. Okay, give it a few knots and your level should come down. And now let us quickly see how the level is. If you see, it has partially come down below that wall. High beam is still up. I need to still adjust it further. Let's do some more rounds. So finally, after multiple rounds, I must have twisted it at least 10 times or so, and now the headlight has come down. If you see, it is right at the bottom, like 1 or 2 feet above the ground on that white wall, and this is the high beam. So this is more than enough right now for me. I'll check it on the highway while going to home. If it's still not perfect enough, after I reach home, I'll probably do some more setting, and let me show you what it is right now. I've pushed it almost way inside. You can see the thread over here. The cleaner part, that much thread have gone inside. So this is right now the headlight throw with the single seat without a pillion. Okay, and this is where the high beam is going. But when I was coming back on the highway with my son sitting as pillion, I'll let him sit right now, same way. So as soon as he sits, the light goes a little more above. So this is what I was talking, when there's additional weight behind. Okay, you can see that it is going on the wall opposite side right now, high beam, which is not so good, because you won't get light in your immediate direction and you might miss potholes and all this stuff. So that is the reason why I adjusted the light, and I'll adjust it little more now so that it falls completely on the ground without, see, this is a good position. This is a good position, but again in this also I was feeling that it is quite dark at the immediate distance ahead, and this is when when there's oncoming traffic, that time you feel your lights are less. And as it is, I have a little problem with the night riding. I need fog lights. If you see, all my bikes, they are adopted with fog lights. So I'll tighten this some more, and then we should be good. Again, this setting is as per your needs, personal needs, like where you need, how much you need throw, and you can adjust that. with your bike. So this is good for me now. Okay, if you see, it is quite near. See the throw. Okay, now the high beam is also not that far. I'll again ask my son to sit. Wait. Okay, it has gone little more ahead, not much ahead, and it won't disturb the oncoming traffic also. So ideally this will be a very good condition. And if I'm planning to ride way too long and way too much in the dark, then I would prefer to get some fog lights which will throw some light in the next 10 to 20 feet, 10 to 20 feet from away from the bike, and rest the headlight will take care of. So with that said, I'll end the vlog here. I hope you like the content. I hope you like the explanation. I hope you like the settings, how it is done. I showed you. Very simple. It didn't have to be such a big vlog, but I wanted to make sure that I'm doing the correct thing. Thanks for watching. See you in a new video. Like, share, subscribe, and let me know your comments in the video description.